channel. The previous videos that's uploaded happened prior to my birthday, and I kind of uploaded them late. I wanted to upload them by my birthday, but life got busy. So I'm here now, and happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to every Aries out there. Happy birthday to anybody born in April, period, because that's the month. That's our month. So today is 4/20, and my birthday was on April 5th. And I had a real chill birthday. If you want to see, how I reflected on my birthday and the previous years before, check out my TikTok. I have like a little 5-minute video on my reflections and what I expect out of myself this year. And yeah, so I only picked up 2 things from the Sephora sale, and I also got my birthday gift. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got and actually test them out for the first time. So I see this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. This is called a blurring balm powder flushed, and this is a blush, and I got it in the shade Golden Hour. And I seen this on TikTok, and it looked really beautiful, and I figured this is definitely the perfect shade for summer and spring that we're in right now. So let me show you what it looks like. How gorgeous is this? Can't wait to see how this looks on the skin. I love the blushes from Haus Labs. I got 2 other blushes. I seen that they definitely went smaller on the size. This is the previous blush, and this is a new one. I'm not really sure of the price difference. So I got the shade Fire Moon, and this is more on like an everyday color. And I want to like change up, and also they put the colors on the front of the packaging, and this doesn't have the color on it for like kit size purposes. Something to just carry in your bag maybe. But I really enjoyed the bigger size. This one is 32, and I believe this one was 40. So that's the price difference. This one is this one's 11 grams and this one is 5, so that's a huge difference. And the price point is 32 and 40. So I don't know. Well, we're gonna test it out and see how we like this color anyway. For the birthday gifts, they had the option to get the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray, and also the magic cream. I believe I got that last year for my birthday as the gift, but they sold out. I was gonna get it again, but it sold out by the time I was going to order it. And so I just picked up this one. This is the Summer Fridays. I believe this is a face mask. This is, yeah, the Jet Leg Mask and the Lick Butter Balm. So I've been meaning to try things out from Summer Fridays, so I'm glad I got this. So we're not gonna try this out in this video, but I'm happy to try that out. Today's look, I just wanna practice on my Soft Glam Baddie Instagram look. So not Instagram look, but I just want to keep practicing on my Soft Glam Baddie. I feel like I'm getting older and more mature, and I feel like my makeup should look more like subtle and sexy. And plus we're moving into the summer months, so I need to start moving into summer foundations and summer makeup looks anyway. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this one is going to be a summer makeup tutorial. Yeah, let's call it a summer makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve the summer look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start out with Fix Plus. For moisturizer, I'm going to use MAC Studio Moisture Cream. Prime with Secure the Sweat by One Size Beauty. For brows, I'm going to use Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 5. So since we're doing a summer look, I like to set my face with powder first. That will prevent any kind of oil coming through, any sweating. Will keep it at bay. So this is Dermablend powder, loose powder, and this is the shade Warm Saffron. And I'm just gonna put it in the areas that I get really oily in. So on my nose. Of course, I'm gonna smooth out the pores. My chin, above my lip, just my T-zone basically. Alright, so foundation, I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the shade 14 Warm. And this is a matte foundation. So for concealer, you know, I'm gonna use my Born This Way in Butterscotch. And I'm gonna put a good amount on. Because I've been finding like this area has been too light for me. So I'm just gonna add this Laura Mercier Ultra Wear. And I'm also going to change up the way I blend it out. I'm gonna blend it out with a brush first and then go in with a beauty blender. And this is the Sephora Brush 71. Hey Siri, play. I got carried away. I forgot. I want to let that sit for a little bit, and I'm going to contour it. And right now I'm going to use contour. I'm just going to use my Matchstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Espresso. And I need a darker contour. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with Golden Beige. And while we let that sit, I'm going to try out the Golden Hour because I believe this is a cream blush. I think it's a cream to powder. Let's see. I should have used a clean brush, but. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is gorgeous. I love this color. This is exactly what color I'm looking for. That sun-kissed look. Love it. I'm now going to take Studio Fix Powder in the shade C7 to set above my lip, under my cheekbone, and my forehead. And the sides of my nose. Just to make everything blend better and not be so light around my face. Tilbury bronzer in the shade 4. For eyes, we're gonna take this Patrick Ta Major Dimension 1 palette. I'm just gonna take this brown down here. For the lid, I'm just gonna take my finger and use this color here. And I'm just gonna take that brown color again and just clean up the edges. I'm just gonna take this Urban Decay 24 Glide On pencil in the in the shade Whiskey. Now let's just put this blush on top of it. This is the Haus Labs blush and the shade is Fire Moon. I'm just gonna put it on top of the Danessa Myricks just to see how it looks, because I would really just leave this blush like this because it's really, really pretty. But I wanna see how this looks. So let's just grab a brush. Can you tell the difference? This pair is really, really pretty together too. It kind of tones down that summery look that I was going for, but it is still really gorgeous. It kind of gives me copper tone from MAC, but like a little darker. So pretty. All right, so next let's just spray our face down and then we're gonna move on to lips. So I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray. And then I'm going to go on top of it with the Superfix Holding Spray. And then I'm gonna set both of those. Highlight, I'm gonna take MAC Gold Deposit. This is an OG highlight from MAC. Now for lips, I'm going to line them with SKKN Nude 15. For lipstick, I'm going to do MAC Honey Love. Honey Love. And this is definitely gonna be my summer lipstick color. And for gloss, I'm gonna use NYX Madeline. And I think I want a little lighter in the center, so I'm gonna use this Sephora gloss. And this is in the shade Nude Attitude. And that is the finished summer look.